check of the sound frequencies. This is a high-intensity test. Please stand clear from speakers and hold tight. This is not a performance. This is a power test. The Earth is about to move. Test number 1, high frequency. High frequency test complete. That was the edge of sound. If you felt it, tickle your ears. You're awake now. Test number 2, mid-frequency. Mid-frequency, test complete. That's the heartbeat of the mix. If your chest moved, you're connected. Test number 3, low frequency. Low frequency test complete. If the ground shook, it means the bass gods are pleased. All frequencies tested. This system is certified. Now let's switch from test to takeover.
योगेश शेजूलकर